Want free crypto using Web3 wallets? Here is a clean, safe step-by-step you can follow right now. First, pick a good Web3 wallet, MetaMask, Phantom, or Rainbow, and set it up properly. Write down your seed phrase offline and lock the wallet with a strong password. Security is first. Second, use Learn to Earn and Faucet programs. Platforms like CoinMarketCap Earn, Project Testnets, and Verified Faucets. We've already done a tutorial about these, so you should check the channel for more tutorials about these. Projects like these give tiny token drops for completing quick lessons or tasks. Always use official links. Third, join testnets and betas. Many new projects reward the early testers with allocations. Connect your wallet to the testnets, run the tasks, or provide feedback and claim rewards when distribution happen. Fourth, claim airdrops smartly. Follow official project channels, keep activity on-chain, interact, swap, bridge, but don't overshare private keys. Use small amounts you're eligible without risk. Fifth, use liquidity incentive and referral bonuses carefully. Provide small liquidity or stake small amounts and audited platforms to qualify for rewards. Quick safety note, never paste your seed phrase, avoid unknown dApps, and move your claimed tokens to a fresh wallet if you're unsure. Do this consistently and you'll start collecting legit free crypto with Web3 wallets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.